Hi, so I want to introduce you to my new app, and I'm going to take you through this app really slowly. I'm going to give you lots of little videos that will help you with various parts of this. But essentially, I created this based on my book, Start with a Draft. And if you've read that book, that's great because you'll understand some of what's going to happen in here. If you haven't, then you have the option to obviously grab a free copy on this first homepage. But first, I want to just walk you through a couple of things. One, you have a guided journey here. So you have the 10 stages all mapped out for what you're going to do with your book, helping you work out everything you need to do as if you were talking with me. And I've worked on this process through nearly 300 books over the last 20 something years. I know that this works really well as a means of getting you started. So without further ado, let's get into what your plan could look like. And I'm going to walk you through the whole app.